Good morning, everyone. Today we are doing some questions related to exercise 7.3. I am discussing question number 6. Firstly, check whether the given fractions are equivalent. A part is you have to check 5 by 9 and 30 by 54. Are they equal? So you have to check these fractions are equal or not. So whenever you have to check fractions are equal, you have to multiply numerator with denominator. Means you have to compare both the fractions with cross multiplication in zigzag manner. You can do 5 multiplied by 54. After this, 30 multiplied by 9. You will write the product here. 5 multiplied by 54 is 270. 30 multiplied by 9 is 270. As both are equal, so I will say yes, the given fractions are equivalent. Next question, question number 7 is reduce into lowest form. Lowest form or simplest form, both are same thing. As in equivalent fraction, we know we get equivalent fraction by multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number. But whenever you have to reduce the fraction, you have to divide numerator and denominator by the same number. As 48 by 60, I have to divide both the numbers, but with the same number. As you know in which table 48 and 60 comes, you can do it directly. As it comes in my mind, there is a table 12 in which both the numbers are coming. So I can directly divide both the numbers by 12. 48 divided by 12, 60 divided by 12. 60 divided by 12 will give you 5. 48 divided by 12, that would be 4. So 4 by 5. Is there any other table in which 4 and 5 both the number comes? No. So it would be the lowest form only. As both are consecutive numbers, both the numbers cannot come in the same table except 1. So 4 by 5 is reduced form of this 48 by 60. You cannot break into simpler more. 84 by 98. Suppose you are dividing it by, again, both the numbers, you have to check in which table both the numbers are coming. So first, if you want to do it by 2, divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. 84 divided by 2. If you are comfortable to get division quotient here, then it would be okay. Otherwise, you can show the division in the rough. 84 divided by 2 will give you 24. 98 divided by 2 will give you 49. Now I think it is easier to check in which table 42 and 49 comes. Check. Are the numbers coming in the table of 6, 7, 5? Check in your mind. I think both the numbers are coming in the table of 7. 42 divided by 7, that would be 6. 49 divided by 7, that would be 7. Again 6 and 7. They have only one table, which is table of 1, in which both the numbers comes. There is no other table in which 6 and 7 both both are consecutive numbers, so there is no other table in which 6 and 7 comes. So 6 by 7 is reduced form of 84 by 98. Now come to question number 8. It is saying Ramesh had 20 pencils, Sheelu had 50 and Jamal has 80 pencils. So I have made the table total pencils Ramesh had, Sheelu had and Jamal had. And question is saying after 4 months Ramesh used up 10 pencils, Sheelu used up 25 pencils and Jamal used up 40 pencils. Question is what fraction did each use up? So you have to write fraction did each use up. Fraction for each means for Ramesh used up pencils. Fraction would be again in the form of numerator and denominator. Used up pencil. He used up 10 pencil out of 20. As we know, total number of things always comes in the denominator. So these are total number of things and out of 20 he used up 10. So fraction for used up pencil for Ramesh is 10 upon 20. I can reduce it in lowest form. That would be 1 by 2 if you will divide both the numbers by 10. For Sheelu, I have to write fraction for Sheelu used up pencils. Shilu used up 25 pencils out of 50. So both the numbers are divisible by 25. So 25 ones are 25, 25 twos is 50. Now write the fraction for Jamal. Again used up pencils. He used up 40 pencils out of 80. Cut 0 with 0. You can do like this, or you can divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So think about it. Are they equal? Yes. So you will say yes, each has used up an equal fraction of his or her pencils. So you have to complete exercise 7.3 in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.